Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I posted a video, and I've recorded this like 6 times already. But we're gonna be reviewing the istock gun stock from istock, obviously, and you can get this for the Quest 2 and 3, and I think the psvr 2 and the Valve Index. But you can get this for like 40 bucks, and it's a really good gun stock in my opinion. Just want to get that out of the way. I do recommend and think this is a good gun stock for what it is. It is all 3D printed gun stock. You have just this little stock right here and this little 3D printed piece that connects your wristbands together. And since you have the Quest 2 straps, you don't really have any other option but to use the default controller straps. You can't use your Kiwi grips or your AMVR grips or anything like that. You have to use just the default. Luckily, the gun stock has a bit of grip to it with a little bit of rugged edges and standing with the back here, so it really helps with the grip and the steadiness of your aim. Now this is a much faster alternative and a cheaper alternative to something like the Pro Tube gun stock, which obviously, since it is a all carbon fiber gun stock, there is a bit of a muscle memory learning curve, I guess. We had to like really memorize where the magnets are. The one disadvantage that this has compared to like the Pro Tube VR is if you're shooting like something like a sniper rifle, it's gonna do really well, because you have your arms are fully extended. But if you're having a small weapon, like I don't know, like an MP5 or whatever, that it's still 2 hands, obviously there's a lot of slack. I have a giveaway of this gun stock. We're going to be giving away this exact gun stock right here, not this exact one, but a newer one that I will be hosting the giveaway. So if you want to enter for the giveaway, all you have to do is just join the Discord and react to the latest giveaway section, and then you will be automatically entered. Please enter only if you're in the US. I've had many people enter and they're international, and I just don't do international because it's super expensive. But real quick, I'll show you guys the gameplay that I recorded with this video with this gun stock, and just show you guys how to use it and maybe see if it improves my aim overall.
Falling roof right now.
I'm flash. Oh, that was nice. Can't see a damn thing now. Thanks.
Like, why you?
I'm dead.
48 meters back spawn. I'm just trying to hit a flank on a dude. Taking pedway.
Yeah.
Looks like they're
Shooting
moving to C.
pedway.
Oh, there's one dead. There's 2.
Someone on B roof.
I am B roof. I don't see anybody.
I think they dropped.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We last seen 2 on pedway. Might be top roof. Stairwell. I'm on roof.
Oh,
This guy's in the lower rank here.
You're good.
I'm getting spawn camp, so that's cool.
I traded. 2 on long side's dead.
There, wolf is good.
God damn it. But I suck.
Oh, okay.
I am ass at this game, literally. I'm so bad. I haven't played this game in ages.
Oh my, I cannot hit my shots for the love of me. Jesus.
Well,
I need somebody to get on B.
So.
I'm holding B right now.
I'm on my way.
You'd have had me if you were a bad guy.
Dead.
Window.
Dead.
Hit someone on B.
Got him.
I think I took out like 3 of them up there for you guys.
Pegway dead. They're going Pegway hard. He's on roof. He's going right side of B roof.
Shit.
Shit.
I'm flashed.
Yeah, I am too.
Oh, you
Nice.
bastard.
I took 2 of them out.
Stab below. Nice. I'm holding. Somebody wants to go on B. I'm holding catwalk.
I'm on B.
I'll push.
coming from B roof and second floor.
Is anybody near
to
A?
roof.
What
To
the
roof, to
shit
roof.
was that? Where did that come from? Oh my lord. I don't understand. Oh, okay, well, I suck at this game.
No, you're good. You're good. Don't worry.
Oh, damn it.
GG's.
GG's. Alright, good game. That was interesting.
Yeah, good game, guys.
Alright, see y'all. That's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys do like the video, you know what to do, like, subscribe if you haven't already. And but before we go, remember I'm having a giveaway for one of these things in the Discord down below. And yeah, just remember to first try check yourself. Peace.